What's up guys, this is D James and I'm back with another video. For today's video, it will not be funny videos, not hugot videos, but a reaction video. So I will be reacting to Red Velvet Monster music video, and this is my first reaction video. So today is July 7, 2020, and today is the release date of Red Velvet's Monster music video. So I already viewed the thumbnail on YouTube and SM Entertainment YouTube channel, and I promised myself that I will not watch this video because I'm going to do a reaction video. So I really like this group, and my bias in this group is Joy. Yeah, I really like Joy because I'm a Beau shipper. Anyway, let's set aside this topic. And I know Joy is filming a variety show, and also Yeri. She has also had a radio show, and Wendy also is still recovering. Get well soon, Wendy. And I hope Red Velvet will back as a whole group on the future. So anyway, let's start. Una pa lang pasabog na. What are you doing, Seulgi? Stop scrolling. The original visual. Miss Irene. Yeah, I like this fierce look. The backup dancer wearing red costumes, and Irene Seulgi is wearing blue? Yeah, velvet. So red velvet. I like this. I like this. Seulgi, why are you crawling? You're scaring Irene. Yeah, you look like Sadako on the ring. I like her outfit. Those slits. Yeah, I don't know if that slit looks like a one piece. And then boots. Irene is really beautiful. And I saw some YouTube videos, and the plastic surgeon said that her face is the golden structure or plastic surgery. Hey, don't tell me you're gonna kiss her. Yeah, I like this choreography. This action. I really like Irene's outfit here. It's shining, shimmering, glimmering. Yeah, she looks cute. Anyway. What's with that gun, Seulgi? Are you going to shoot him? I really love how Seulgi dance. Did you notice the backup dancers' action? They're like twerking. Yay! What's with that face? Stop, Irene. You're scaring me. Wow. Bitch, don't pull the trigger, bitch. Stop. Hey. I like it. I like the choreography. Oh, where's Irene? I like the choreography here. Oh, here's the queen.
I'm a little monster.
And they're finally back. Red Velvet. I really enjoy watching the video. I like the concept, their costumes, the music, everything. Let's give a hand. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye.